Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by enabling the essentials: Bluetooth, location, and Wi-Fi so devices can communicate. Open Settings, go to More Settings or Device Connect, and tap Nearby Share to turn it on. This makes your phone discoverable. Once done, choose Visibility, Everyone for speed or contacts to limit who sees you. Make sure Battery Saver is off because it can block discovery. Now that your device is visible, move on to selecting the file you want to send. You pick the files next. Open Gallery or Files, select Photos or Documents and hit Share. Choose Nearby Share from the list. The phone will scan for nearby compatible devices. Make sure the recipient screen is unlocked and Nearby Share is active so their name appears. Once you see the correct device, tap it and accept any prompts on both phones. While transferring, watch the progress indicator. Transfers use Wi-Fi Direct for speed, so larger files move quickly. You finish by accepting the incoming transfer on the recipient phone and selecting where to save the file, commonly Files or Gallery. Once accepted, the phones negotiate a direct Wi-Fi connection and the transfer completes quickly. Afterward, verify the file in Downloads or the appropriate app. If the transfer fails, toggle Nearby Share off and on, restart Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, and retry. This clears temporary discovery issues. If problems persist, restart both phones and
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.